Should I do Kroll fight now? Or Silas? Neeko? Oh, yeah, you have a good point. We should do Neeko. We should do Neeko. But I queued for support. Okay, let's see. I have a plan. I have a very good plan. He's gonna fall for it. I told you. What are you supposed to play, though? We're going crit. We're going crit, so probably Hail of Blades, right? He said no problem. Oh, wait. So he genuinely gave me support. All right. Thank you. Appreciate that. Ah, I'm against Heimerdinger. Oh my god, man. Oh my god. I would honestly dodge this game. Nah, I'm gonna dodge. This is gonna be barely any interaction. It's gonna be so boring to play and watch. Imagine I get the same people. I'm banning Heimerdinger. But if I ban Heimerdinger, they're gonna pick Teemo. Which is still pretty disgusting, right? It's the same people. Ban Heimer, please. Fortunately, it's Garen. Garen players are usually, you know, on the lower part of the IQ spectrum. So, oh, hey, this account doesn't have all chat access. That kind of sucks. That doesn't make me very happy. Go as a minion. Good idea, actually. Let's see if he actually realizes what's going on. I don't really want to showcase my tricks this early on, but let's see if he just realizes what's going on. He got me. Woo! Sell out there, cowboy. Flashing away from the unknown, huh? I would as well. Bro, he's playing second wind D-Shield. It's the worst of the worst. Are you kidding me? So I'm probably gonna do Yuntal first, because that's what you're supposed to do if you're doing crit, right? No way. Sorry, bro. I was gonna fuck with him, but I need the money. Sorry, I need the money. I know what my objective is this game, and I need all money. Money only, cuh. Good escape, bro. There's no way these people are real. Bro, they are. Maybe. Or maybe it's the experimenting. The fucking... You know what I mean? Grok, ChatGPT players. But I can't be sure. Oh. Currently tickling this guy, but guys, trust me, once we get the items, we're gonna be okay. It's not looking too promising right now, but trust me, we'll get there. How do you play against low elo players when you're master tier? Because I'm playing on the Antarctica server. Smurfing in Antarctica right now. I hope you know what I mean. I have an idea, it's fine. Wait, this guy's breaks if I attack a turret? What the fuck? I'm pretty sure I should probably dip right now and see what I need for Yuntal. Disguise as Gromp and kill him. I want to try that. I really want to see how he's gonna react if I'm Gromp on lane. No way! There's no Gromp. Disguise as a ward. The stupid thing about wards is that they're very slow. It's funny, but they're very slow, bro. Bro, my damage potential crazy low-key. Dealt like 40 auto attacks and deal nothing. Does he realize where I am? He's backed. Sure. Oh. How do they always coin flip the correct one? God damn, bruh. God damn, bro. God damn, bro. Holy shit. Nah. Oh my god. I got you, bro. Good flash. Can wards attack? Yeah, obviously. Can I get out? Can I get out? Okay, I have enough money. I gotta dip. Okay, that's actually kind of surprising. He's building armor. He's rushing Dead Man's first item. Sure. Grab this one real quick. Okay, since this guy's topside anyways, you know what? I'm gonna invade. I wanna test something. Actually, I'm not gonna invade. I'm gonna.
An ally has been slain.
Bro, what the fuck? I'm playing Wolf Simulator. For pushing purposes. There is one thing that I'm like, I'm not sure how it works. I want to figure out if I can TP well disguised as something. I want to try that. First of all, let me get this motherfucker. Okay, let's see how Garen's gonna react to this one. He's probably gonna get so scared.
An enemy has been slain.
I'm 1 HP, bro. Yeah, I'm sorry. We have to dip. We're still not strong enough, sadly. I need at least edge, at least. I'm pretty sure they gave up from top as well.
Rampage. Double kill.
Worth. I wanted to TP, but I had champion only on, so I couldn't TP. Oh.
Shut down.
Scripting using unapproved third-party programs. Yep, that's definitely it. Damage test. Fucking nothing, because he's building armor. Why is he building armor? Ah, that was a sad game. Bro, these games are done too fast. You know, I wanna actually get to the full build. This is when you get to feel the actual fun. The actual fun. Because you're full build, and then someone walks on side lane, and you're a cannon minion, and you 3-shot them. That's the actual fun. You know, that's the fun. But the last game and this one, they FF15. And I'm not the carry. I'm not the carry. I don't even have the most damage in the game. It's Irelia. It's Irelia that's shit stomping these games. Not even me. Can you show us your socks? There. AP Briar. Yep, AP Briar. I'm pretty sure that Mr. Cheeky Breeky has really fast fingers. Holy fuck, this damage is not okay, bro. I'm gonna bait him in. What the fuck? W bait, I guess. Now, I don't remember what I built last time. Probably Storm Surge. Unfortunately, my E doesn't deal enough damage when there's no wall nearby. But if there is, we're eating good. Yep, get close to that wall, buddy. Okay, I'm pretty sure this is probably not okay, right? I mean, he was pretty healthy before I did that. Please stop, 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 bro, stop, stop. Oh, what? Why is Z top? Damage test. Oops. Yeah, they completely swapped. That's crazy. Maybe the Zed knows how to play against Briar. I don't know. Uh-oh. Holy fuck. Oh my god, bro. Zed disappeared. Zed indeed disappeared. Bro, this damage is so satisfying, by the way. Why does this deal so much damage? I'm level 7 and I deal 600 if I hit it. Gunblade good here. You know what's actually good here? What was the name of the item that stuns? It got removed. It was like a frontal projectile that stuns and slows. Bro, whoa, come on. You know the name. Everfrost. Everfrost. If that was still in the game, OP for AP Briar. What the fuck was that? Oops. Yeah. Don't KS, bro, please. Thank you. Try to get the counter, bro. I swear he did. Bro, that is so fucking satisfying. It's crazy. Okay, random R challenge. Got him. Bro, that is literally like sending a nuclear bomb somewhere. Like if you get hit, you're gonna die. It doesn't matter who you are. Where are you, Mordekaiser? Are you here? Oh, I would have done it. I would have done it, and I probably would have died. Why am I healing so much though? Got him. Okay, this is where we're in a little bit of trouble, I'm not gonna lie. He didn't die. He didn't hit the wall. Don't worry, guys. It's all fine. Scripting. Yup. Up! What is this? Hashtag gay. Yup. Offensive name submit. Boom. This guy's gone. Next day he's banned. Caught him. Wow. That was the fastest permaban in my life. Is this Faker? Hold on. I kind of really want to hit a full map R. Let me see if it's doable. No, it's not gonna hit. Oh my god! What the fuck? They're cheating. Holy shit! Oh my god, that was so close to killing them both, bro. I need more ability haste. I low-key need more ability haste. I need more. This gives you 25, that's not bad. This gives you 20. I think I gotta do Cosmic. Only AP is not gonna help it. I mean, maybe it will, actually. Let's just do only AP for now. But what?! Bro, we were winning this game so hard. Are they getting lucky, man? He didn't hit the wall. Bro, this guy's the luckiest piece of shit. Redemption arc. We got him. Need money for Shadow Flame and like Rabadons. We need more AP. End of the day. And still not enough money, bro. Okay, I'm pretty sure this Ashe question marked me earlier, so she needs to die. get low, bro. Rom, you gotta help me, bro. I can't trash talk them, bro. We shouldn't. This is not how life's supposed to work. We shouldn't trash talk. Crazy willpower. What the fuck? He just starts sliding, bro? I'm dead. I'm doing it. I fear we might have been outscaled now. We can't kill him anymore. Cheeky Breeky's a hidden smurf, which is a problem, obviously. I'm not gonna lane against this guy. He's a tryhard, and a smurf, and a tryhard. Tryhard, most importantly. Oh, no. No, I said. No. Oh no. Holy shit. Hey, if it worked, okay? I'll take it. Bro, they're genuinely terrified when they see me though. Holy shit. How do you deal with people reporting your account? Kill them. Yeah, it's pretty okay. Ash gonna question mark now? Yeah, of course not. That's what I thought. Should hit. This game respects me so much that in the chat they call me Your Honor. Look at this. Your Honor. They literally call me Your Honor. I got the Ash. That was not Ash. Okay, bro, but come on. You can't tell me this guy's not tryhard. Look at what he's built. He's built Banshee's Veil. Bro, from the first level, I saw how tryhard this guy is. It's cringe. I hate people that tryhard in normals, bro. There's rank for that. You can tryhard in rank. Damage test. I'm dead. Goodbye. Why no clips in rank? I think I... Go try hard. Look at him try! Bro, he only wants to kill me, that's crazy.
Your team has destroyed an inhibitor. Your team has destroyed a turret. Your team has destroyed a turret.
Your Honor should type, I guess, yep. Good game. Good game, good game, good game.